guys, here is our more solving video has been came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving our question number 395 on the weekly contest 3. We are solving our question 395, so get ready for it. And in this question we are solving one more thing, and in this question we are solving the in the previous video we solved the decode string. So in today's video we are solving the hard one and we are medium one, in which we are solving the longest substring with at least k repeating characters. So we are solving this question and 395 question, and this is a medium one question which we are solving in today's video. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Let's start our 395 question by the name of longest substring with at least k repeating character, and this is an easy one for a medium one question by the name of 395. So let's start and let's solve it. So we are drag and drop our question first of all, and we drag and drop this question in the Word to explain you in detailed. Okay, so first of all I paste this question, then copy, then I'm given the font to explain you clearly of this question. Okay, so given a string s and then integer k, then return the length of a longest substring. First of all, you see this question, it is saying me return the length of the longest substring of s, of which of s, such that the frequency of each character in this substring is greater than or equal to k. Okay, greater than or equal to k. Highlight it, greater than or equal to k. If no such substring exists, return 0. Means it is saying if no any not type of any substring is exists, return 0. I understand. Input, it say this one example it has been given me, in which he created an integer by the name of string by the name of s, in which he write a, he write a 3 times and 2 times b, and then he write comma k equals to 3. So it is giving me the output 3. Why? Because the longest substring is a, as a is repeated 3 times. Okay, so that's why. So input, example 2, let's move to another example 2. So in which he created one string by the name of s, in which he write a, b, b, c, means k equals to 2. So it gives you the output 5. Why? Because the longest substring is a, b, as a is repeated 2 times and b is repeated 3 times. So this question is very easy, I think so, because it said given a string s and integer k. So that's why it is saying return the length of the longest substring of s, of s string, such that the frequency of each character in the substring is greater than or equal to k. So this question is very easy. Okay, so I understand it. And submission 5,53,000 people submit this, and only 2,51,000 is accepted. Acceptance rate is 45.3%. So I think this is a medium one. Okay, so first of all we write our if statement in which we write len and s. Here we write our s string, and it has been told you here, and I highlighted the s string also. Where? Let me show you. Here we also highlighted our s string. Here you can see it. Now we are now in this line we are finding the length of our s string. So we write equals to 0, in which we write or k. So here we define our integer k. Okay, integer k. So we are writing our codes according to the question. So greater length, so we are finding the length of s. So here we return our 0. C equals to counter. Then here we write s. Enter sub 1 comma sub 2 equals to double commas comma double commas. Okay, sub 1 sub 2. Okay, here we create sub 1 sub 2. I create behalf on me, not on any question. Here he wrote it like create a sub 1 and sub 2. Okay, I created substring 1 and substring 2. Here I created 2 substring. For I comma letter in enumerate s. So we write our s string, and then here we write if c letter then less than k. So now here we write our k integer one more time, and I highlighted our k integer in this Word file. Here you can see it. Here we already highlighted it. I highlighted the main points which we highlighted. So here I write substring 1 equals to self dot longest substring as, here we define longest substring as, then semicolon I, comma k. So here we write our one more time integer k. So we write our substring 2 in which we write our equal to self. We write same thing, longest substring in which we write our s. Now here we do not define any semicolon, we write I plus 1, then we define semicolon, and then we write comma, then we write our integer k. In the starting we define our in the string s, in the ending we define our integer k. Okay, so we define our break statement, means that it will be break. Okay, mean it will be stop at its place. Now here we write backspace in which we write else statement. Then here we return our length of for as a string integer, string, and then we write our return max. So we return max sub, we write our substring 1 and substring 2. So let's understand the code one more time. Longest substring with at least k repeating characters. Example 1, example 2. So it's a given a string as an integer k, and we use in this code we already here we use the string as an integer k. In this code we have used it. So let's run it, and when we run it, so let's see our code is corrected or not. So when we run it, so here you can see our both cases are corrected. Here you can see that our case 1 and case 2 has been accepted. In the case 1, the output will become 3 and my output has been coming 3, and the case 2, the output will become 5 and my output has been coming 5. So let's submit this code and let's see the submitted codes are correct or not. So it take a little bit time. So our submitted code is also be corrected. Here you can see it. We use the in this here we use the 814 milliseconds, okay, runtime, and we reached 14.44%, okay, people very successfully. Yes, and here we solve our 395 question by the longest substring with at least k repeating characters, and this is a medium one question which we have solved it. And view my profile name is Ryan Big, and here you can see it, this is my profile, so go and see it. And I'm on the rank number 2,24,000, so go and see my profile there. So now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing like that type of videos on the channel. So now give me the permission to go and tell me now if you're liking this video, so tell me in the comment section below. So now for today, goodbye.